databases are crucial, are the best way where companies and organizations store and manage the data.
Do you buy a supercomputer with GPUs?
Cloud computing has received a lot of attention and investment in the last decade. Big companies like Google, IBM, Amazon, Microsoft has spread data centers around the globe in order to ease the development of applications.
Post jobs or post positions, and other being able to hire them whenever they need it.
The students have been divided into 3 groups. They have chosen 3 problems, mainly social problems, environmental problems, and they have transformed these problems into challenges. So right now, through a dynamic of stakeholder mapping, stakeholder empathy exercise, a context analysis, and also an ideation process, they are understanding how can they generate a high impact added value idea.